Hey guys, so I am warming up some oil in an iron skillet. Today I'm going to be making a pan seared chicken thigh. I'm going to be using the Chicago steak seasoning. This particular brand, you do not have to get the brand. It's just the Chicago steak seasoning. I really love how they put all those spices in one container. It's really tasty for this particular recipe. So you're just going to sprinkle that onto all of the chicken thighs. You do not need to put oil on them because you already have oil on the pan. So just flip back and forth and put that all over. After that, my oil has now finished warming up. You're going to place the chicken thighs in the pan. Yeah. This is really going to bring out that Chicago seasoning really, really well. And then I'm going to show you, you have that browning effect. Oh, gosh. I feel like you only can get this if you have an iron skillet. So if you don't have an iron skillet in your, your kitchen tools, you need to get one. So I'll go ahead and pull that out. And I have a few more pieces that I'm going to do the exact same thing to. I just move the oil around a little bit and place it in there and place it onto this baking ware. And I'm going to cover it up with the aluminum foil. I'm going to next go ahead and put it in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes to an hour. Really, you just want to make sure the chicken has cooked all the way through because you're not completely cooking it in the pan. And here we go. This is the final results. I almost forgot to show y'all the final results. I end up pairing it with the Indian curry that I made the day before with a salad and hibiscus tea. Thank you for watching. Bye.